Hello, and today we're unboxing Fuddler USA. Sir Belch. Spelled back. And okay, let's check him out. Oh my. And that big tongue. There's his teeth. 58 USA. And there he is, Sir Belch. Yeah, he's adorable. Like I said in my other video, I have some YouTube shorts on these Fuddler USA Fuddlers. If you want, you should check those out too. Look at him. Got a very long tongue. He's basically like the Harry Fuddler ones, but with soccer themed clothing. Am I right? Just, yeah. But tell me what you guys think. If you'd buy him, what you think of him. Let me know in the comments. And please like this video and share it. And please subscribe if you aren't. And if you are, I greatly appreciate you. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.